Hello everyone, welcome back to Cove Media. Whether you're here just to watch, you want to learn something, or you need to decompress for a little bit, I'm glad you're here, and we're going to get right into continuing our work on making our very own game of Pong in Python. So last session, we added more ball movement. We added some collision to the player paddles. We put in some temporary controls for the AI so we can test some stuff out. And we got this core function of our game going. So today we're actually going to be adding in a very simple AI, but an AI nonetheless for the AI paddle. And we're going to get into that. So first things first, we're going to press F5 to make sure, let me click into the window. Press F5 to make sure everything's working as we expect. There we go. There we go. The ball is moving, it's colliding, it's speeding up every time it hits a paddle. And now it's traveling forever in that direction. So we're going to stop it here. So first things first, we have a new constant variable to add. We're going to come down to our constant variables. We're going to hit enter. We're going to place this under our current paddle speed. We're just going to call it AI speed. And we're going to set it to 5. We're going to scroll down a bit. We're going to come down to our controls. And the ones we added for the AI paddle we're going to remove. And now we're going to come down just a few lines, and we're going to press enter a couple times so that we can bring all of our AI movement code together. So we're just going to add a comment so we know what we're doing. Well, we know what this is for. We're going to call it AI paddle movement. We're just going to have a couple if and else if statements here. So if our AI paddle dot center y is less than our ball center y, and this is just looking where the center of its y-axis for these specific objects in our game. Our AI paddle, the y of it, I did not spell that correctly, is going to plus equal our AI speed. So what we're doing here with this very basic AI, all it is going to be doing is going to be tracking the center of the ball. So as it moves, the ball moves up and down, the paddle is going to move with it, or it's going to do its best to keep up with it. We're going to add another line, elif. And this is very much just going to be the same thing, but in the other direction. All right. And I believe that should be everything that we need. Nothing too complicated this time. Oh, I messed something up here. My paddle speed. Ooh. What did I do? Oh, I see what I did. So, my bad. Hopefully y'all caught this, but we are wanting to look at the Y of our paddle there, and I did not tell it to do that, so that's why I was throwing the error. Because it could not place a number value for the AI paddle. And here we go. So now the AI paddle is moving all by itself. It's going to track where the ball is vertically, and it's going to do its best to actually meet that. So now we have some AI. Now what you can actually see the ball movement with the paddle because it is tracking that as the ball continues in the eternity in the other direction. And it'll just keep going on. So we've accomplished a few things these last few lessons. We have added our player movement. We've added our ball movement. We've given the game a little bit of basic AI. And so now we have this core, the core functionality of our game done. And so now what we are going to be doing going forward is adding scoring, adding a reset, because obviously we don't want the ball to continue infinitely in one direction or the other. We want this to be a game, so there has to be a goal. So scoring, automatic reset of our game, a game in state. So how many points does either side need to score to actually get a game over or a game win for our players? And maybe spruce things up a little bit with a little bit of sound, a few things here and there. And so that's where we're going to be moving on from here. A little bit of a shorter lesson today, but that's all right. I'm very glad you guys came today. Again, whether you're here to watch, learn, or just chill out for a little bit, I'm glad you stopped by. Hope you have a wonderful day and a wonderful week. See you later.